Welcome to LuxAutos, your home of luxury supercars, premium showcases, and next-level automotive experiences. Power, speed, and futuristic design. The aggressive front grille and sharp aerodynamic lines show McLaren's pure racing DNA in every inch. The LED headlamps shine bright, giving the McLaren a fierce presence under the luxury showroom lighting. And from a low angle, the neon orange hood displays its sculpted power built for extreme performance. The iconic McLaren badge sits proudly at the center, symbolizing precision engineering and fearless speed. The front curves blend perfectly with the neon orange color, creating a modern supercar masterpiece. The bright showroom lights glide across the hood, revealing flawless paint depth and premium finishing. A wide front view captures McLaren's bold stance, crafted to dominate streets and racetracks alike. Step inside, and the McLaren welcomes you with a cockpit built for pure performance driving. The digital dashboard displays crystal-clear performance details with ultra-modern precision. The racing-style steering wheel with carbon fiber texture delivers total control and confidence. The sports seats feature black and orange stitching, offering comfort during high-speed drives. The center console is sleek and minimal, with performance controls placed perfectly for quick access. Soft ambient lighting fills the cabin, blending perfectly with the neon orange exterior style. Metallic pedals and clean interior finishing show McLaren's attention to every performance detail. A full cabin view reveals a driver-focused interior built for speed, passion, and total control. The side profile of the neon orange McLaren glows under showroom lights, sleek and aerodynamic. The sharp side curves cut through the air, designed for maximum speed and stability. The signature McLaren door design adds futuristic elegance to this high-performance machine. Side air vents channel airflow perfectly, cooling the engine during intense performance runs. The alloy wheels and performance tires ensure maximum grip, speed, and precision handling. The sharp performance brake calipers guarantee controlled stopping even at extreme speeds. Showroom reflections enhance the neon orange paint, making the McLaren shine like a jewel. A full side sweep shows the car's long aerodynamic shape, crafted for ultimate supercar balance. A strong rear stance highlights McLaren's powerful supercar character in neon orange. The futuristic LED taillights glow sharply, creating a bold signature look. The dual exhaust system reflects pure performance, ready to unleash thrilling supercar sound. The sculpted rear carves blend perfectly with the aerodynamic body for extreme stability. The rear spoiler and aerodynamic fins provide precision downforce at high speeds. A final 360 view reveals the neon orange McLaren shining under luxury lights, a true supercar masterpiece.